Okay. So, in another type, so, mora na siya. So, again, money no? So, 75. So, mostly kung cable TV, so mga cable TV, ang pinaka-best gamiton si RG6. Kung mga HD TV, si RG11 ang gamiton nimo. So, kung si internet, so RG6 ang gamiton nimo. So, gibutang na nako tanan ana kung sa mga angay pang gamiton. Kung CCTV imo ha, so manang coaxial cable is really gamito na siya sa internet. Dili lang basta katong UTP wire lang ninyo, RG45 mao na pang networking. It's not. In real networking, that is beyond what we are doing. So real networking, real setup na siya, which uses coaxial cables, fiber optics from the ISP. Then pag LAN ka, mao na lang mga UTP wires nimo. Tapos pag mag-CCTV ka, so mao na siya mga coax cable. So, then pag mag coax cable ka, kung CCTV ka, pwede ra na siya RG59 kay medyo low frequency ra man na siyang CCTV. So can also you can also use RG6, it can longer distance than RG59. Kung ang imong CCTV mubo lang, dili kayo ka gusto, medyo dili kayo layo ang linya gikan sa central niya na transmission, okay ra 59. Kung medyo layo-layo sa building nimo or sa gawas ba, so better use RG6. So kung money coaxial cable, so you can also use money. It depends RG59 ba or RG6 money kanang video kanang mga television set na nato. 59 or RG6. Medyo sa television set di kaya applicable si RG what do you call this? RG11. So dili siya kaya. Mga HD videos, HD TV ang gamit ni RG11. Kanang high definition dyan. Okay, now we are done with the coaxial cable. So hopefully you learned something with regards to coaxial cable and not just a simple cable with one copper inside na usually makita sa inyong television set. So coaxial cable is very important with regards to networking, especially for setting up CCTVs and other na kanang mga sa kalsada ninyo di na UTP wire ang gamit kay kung UTP wire ang gamit na mga liki ng inyong kung ano gamiton sa inyong CCTV. So but again, I think CCTV right now are improving also. So wala siya usually gamit. So that's why coaxial cable basi matingan mo appeal man namang coaxial cable na ang coaxial cable pang television set man na. So again, information na i-transfer nato is about signals. So obviously uh, the best type of cable that will handle signal is coaxial cable. Okay. Now we'll go to the next type of cable, Ethernet cable. So which is the twisted pair cabling. So again, as I told you, there are two types of, actually napagali daw usa pero wala siya kayo ko kakita ko sa gigamit, I forgot so to roll over man siguro tong tawag ato. So may roll over na twisted pair. So but the most common ginagamit yun nato is the UTP, which is unshielded twisted pair. So katong gipakita na ko last time, which is kini. So man usually gigamit nato UTP, unshielded twisted pair. So this twisted pair cabling has 4 wires. So 4 wires, 8 manong suda na sir. Yeah, they are twisted pair. They are pairs. That is why it is called UTP, twisted pair. So there are 8 wires and the 2 wires is pair and twisted. So now there are already 4 wires. Okay. Later you will who among you knows what is the purpose of these wires? Kada usang wire, unsay intention sa kada usang wire ani. So who among you have any idea? Sir, si orange sir para asa na siya sir? Si green sir para asa? Si blue sir para asa? Do you have some idea already? Para asa na siya? Anyone? Guys. Nano may idea? Putol-putol. Okay, sorry. Okay. Okay. Putol yapon? Okay, kaya sa...
Blue mo kay sayang tulo. Siyang nga black, lima nga yellow. 20 ka na, nakabutang 20. Pero diri gi-optimize na ho.
So, daghan naman kung kayo nagamit ito, nagsugod nagbaiso karong adlaw ba? Ano may expected mag-shut down na itong internet. Okay. So, in the twisted pair, there are two types of twisted pair. That is unshielded twisted pair and the shielded twisted pair. So, a twisted pair have 4 wires. So, sir, nga 4, we actually have 8. So, that is why it's called a twisted pair. So, there are 8 wires. 2 of that wire are paired. So, therefore, there are 4 pairs. So, that's why it's called 4 wires. So, 4 pair twisted wires. So, these wires are twisted around each other to reduce the crosstalk. Sure, saan ang crosstalk? The same as katong hisgot nato sa ato ang coaxial cable. Diba, kung gamantay mo sa kung sa may namatikdan nyo sa atong coaxial, diba, after the insulator na sunod sa atong copper wire, there is a mesh of wires. Mura siya gi-twist-twist po na wire. Kay, ang reason daw ato kung mag-twist daw ka og wire, malesen nimo ang EMI or electromagnetic interferences. Here in twisted pair na wire, gitwist po ang wire para malesen daw ang crosstalk or the EMI or the electromagnetic interference. So, mao na yung reason nga nung gitwist ang inyuhang mga cable within your UTP wire. Anong gitwist ang pair niya, anong gitwist siya. So, para ma-prevent niya ang interferences, okay, which is called the crosstalks. So, kini. In order for this one to reduce, reduce ang crosstalks. So, this type of cabling is commonly used in the current LANs nato. So, manang giingon ako, in the real networking, it's not only on the LAN, diba? Within your home, within your specific place na ginetwork mo. It's also on the outside and the source of your internet. Mostly, outside like CCTV, etc. use coaxial. Within your network, that is UTP. Transmitting internet from you are using fiber internet cables. So, mostly, those 3 wires are used nato karon. So, especially like sa ako sabay from my ISP to my box, that is fiber optics, from that box going to my routers and transmitting to my repeaters, that is UTP wires ang gigamit ako. Then sa Cebu, so ang gamit namo sa CCTV are coaxial cables. So mga siya. So mabitaw nang nakanindot po is naka-wireless ka para maka-view gyapon ka isag asa. Okay. So the difference between the two, okay, is that an shielded twisted pair or the STP has an additional layer of insulation that protects data from outside interferences. So mora na naka-difference sa UTP o STP. So pareha gyapon na siya twisted pair ang suod, naglukot ra gyapon ng wire ana. Kaso lang ang UTP wala siya shield sa suod. So ang STP na siya additional nga layer for insulator. Okay, that protects kay ang sa inyo ang unshielded twisted pair ang sa may nahitabo. Igo ra ang outer layer na protection, di ba? Pag putol nimo ana, ang sud dayon ana is katong 8 ka buok na wires or 4 ka pair. So mao na dayon sa inyohang shielded twisted pair na pa siya additional insulator. Okay. Next. Okay. So mao ni siya, no? So twisted pair have this itsura. So you have brown, you have brown wire and this white brown. So inside this ano na siya, mura na siya two colors ning usa na twist aning brown, that is brown white. Another one is green and green white, blue and blue white, orange and orange white. So nine arrangement ana. So this cable will be connected to your 8P8C. So 8P8C is 8 port 8 connectors. So which is commonly referred na to sa RJ45, which is this one, 8P8C. So napoy 2C, 2 port 2 connectors. Napoy 4. Kanang mga routers na to 4 na siya. So ang mga latest routers karon kay upat ra na siya. So ang kini, ang mga nasa sud niya ano ra, upat ra ang gigamit. Okay, sa mga ubang routers karon, bantayan ng ubang routers karon upat ra gigamit. Pero according to my mga friends na ko na mga nasa company, mas preferred daw nila ning 8 ay mas safe daw siya. Tapos mas preferred nila ang 8. So kung mag-network sila 8. Pero kanang mga uban na pinalitdaan, na humandaan or pakapin sa ubang mga routers ninyo, upat ra na siya. Even pag tanaw nimo sa router nimo kanang saksakan aning RJ45, upat ra na ka connector na mo-connect ani. Okay. Next is bali sa atong activity, you will provide this one and this one. According to Joseph, tag 6 ang RJ45, no? Sa asa ka kapalit og 6, Joseph? Okay. So, again, you can have it also na nag-aning mga computer shops na ninisiya. Na mga baligya. Then, ang UTP wire, ang UTP wire, so tagpila to, Joseph? 16 ba to? Jan? 14. Okay. So, mahal na dahil, no? Sa ako ang panahon ga estudyante pa ko network, okay? Naara to siya tag size, tag utsura to sa una na mo. May kamahal na po.
Man, halinan dili ko ginani ko kadaghan mo tuwang di ako Tagalog sa school.
Oh, okay. Ano lang? Okay, good na siya kay sa ato kay ano raman, di man literally nga gamiton jud nato. So actually ang atong or pwede jud na kung after that pwede niyo gamiton na. So ang ako alam pwede ra og mugbo ra pamputlo ninyo for presentation purposes. Pwede ra jud pod. Pwede ra gud pod gamiton na lang ninyo kay para sayang po din yung magamit, di ba? So, next is we have, okay, let's start discussing the first type of Ethernet cable for the twisted pair group, which is the unshielded twisted pair. So, in the unshielded twisted pair, it has 8 wires, and those 8 wires are paired. So, you have 4 pairs. These are the twisted pair, and this is the outer jack at nag-cover niya. Then, color-coded plastic. So, sa suit ana na color-coded plastic. So, katong nakita nyo giniha. So, it is a medium that is composed of pairs of wires. UTP cable is used in variety of networks. Each of 8 individual copper in UTP cable is covered by insulating material, which is this one. And in addition, the wires of each pair are twisted around each other. Then, UTP wire relies solely on the cancellation effect that produced by the twisted wire pairs to limit the signal degradation caused by EMI, or electromagnetic interference, and radio frequency interference. So, ano siya? So, manang usa sa pinaka reason dili mawa man ang mga interferences na